Now to a story that may surprise you just a bit. It is called Legal Shield Card. Think of it as sort of a legal insurance for anybody who is detained or arrested by police. More than 79,000 of the policies have been sold nationally since last year. Many of those buying the insurance are minorities. They're concerned about being unfairly targeted or profiled by police. Harlan Stonecipher is founder of Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated. He's joining us live from Oklahoma City this morning. Thanks very much for being with us. Explain how this insurance works.
Well, Greg, the Legal Shield is really a part of our overall prepaid legal service program. So what we're doing is just giving people the ability to have access to lawyers. You know, legal fees are very expensive today. The top 10% in America can afford lawyers. The bottom 10% have access to the public defender. But middle-income Americans, and that's where most of us are, they don't know lawyers, are intimidated by lawyers, and concerned about what it costs. So we've designed a program that allows these people to have access to lawyers. Of course, that's 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. But then we came up with the Legal Shield Card, which gives them access 24 hours a day in the event that they might have a problem. They might be stopped, they might be questioned or detained, or even to be threatened to be arrested. Then they'd have access on a 24-hour basis to a lawyer.
Now, does it just pay your legal services if you're a suspect or a defendant in a criminal case, or what if you're sued in a civil case?
No, it's designed really to help those people who are sued in a civil case. The Legal Shield Card is the only thing that we have that will help you, particularly in that area. But it just gives you that level playing field. But the membership is designed to give you the ability just to talk to a law firm, to talk to a lawyer. For example, you have a 1-800 number. Call them anytime you like about anything. It may be having a document reviewed. It might be having your will done. All of that's covered under your prepaid membership.
So a person who is a member, and let's put this on the screen, has a little card, and here's what the card says. This person is a member of the Legal Shield program, has 24-hour access to legal representation. Here's the critical part. To any law enforcement officer or security personnel, if it is your intention to question, detain, or arrest me, please allow me to call an attorney immediately. These things are selling like hotcakes in places like New York, where African Americans, for example, and other minorities are arguably unfairly profiled and targeted by police. True?
Well, Greg, that's true, but it's not just minorities. It's all over the United States. It's middle-income Americans. I think everybody is concerned. You know, we've heard the term DWB, and that stands for driving while black, but it can also be driving while broke. If we're just driving an old beat-up car and it has a particular look to it, we might get stopped. It can be driving while a teenager and driving a particular time.